Have you ever wondered why this happens?
Why does the moon change shape? The moon doesn't change shape. We see different parts of it lit by the sun as it goes around Earth. Why do we yawn when others yawn? Yawning is contagious because of brain empathy and social connection. Why is water colorless? Water absorbs very little visible light, so it appears colorless. Why do airplanes look slow in the sky but fast close up? Far objects look slower because our eyes see less movement at distance.